हाय सो इंटरव्यू सीजन आ गया है. काफी स्टूडेंट से बातचीत होती है. एक क्वेश्चन जो कई बार उठ के आता है विच आई फाइंड लिटिल बिट फनी बट आई थॉट आई विल प्रॉब्ली गो अहेड एंड एड्रेस इट हियर वाज, सर क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं व्हाट वाज योर इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस? सो आई फाइंड दिस क्वेश्चन फनी फॉर मल्टीपल रीजन. नंबर वन, काफी इंटरव्यूज लिए थे तो हर इंटरव्यू का अलग एक्सपीरियंस था. नंबर टू, you can never really go ahead and state or come to a conclusion basis one or two interview experiences, because the interview experiences are dependent upon that individual and the person and the kind of things that they've gone ahead and spoken. And इसलिए I always turn around and state आपका first answer, the first conversation that you have in an interview, which generally is tell me something about yourself, या फिर अच्छा what is your name, what does it mean, या फिर आप कहाँ से आए हो and stuff like that, those sort of things, they will go ahead and make a mark. So I'll give you an example. My first interview, or one of the first interviews that I took, was actually at IIM Lucknow. And IIM Lucknow में they told me, tell me something about yourself. And I was a little stressed. I don't know why. आजकल मैं किसी से बात करता हूँ मैं बोलता हूँ stress मत लो, बिंदास हो. But I was stressed. मतलब I understand why you can be stressed. अब गलती से निकल गया. I come from a middle class family. That's how I started. And I hear many students turn around and state that as well. मैंने जैसे ही ये बोला, within 5-10 seconds they stopped me and they asked, what do you mean by middle class? I stated, income group के बेस में. अच्छा, which statistical measure will you go ahead and use? मैंने सोचा mean, median, mode. I said median. They said okay, why not mean, why not mode? वहाँ से चला गया give example of mean is equal to median is equal to mode. वहाँ से चला गया going to distributions, normal distribution. वहाँ से चला गया hypothesis testing. So a simple thing of middle class was taken to hypothesis testing and statistics. I am from a math honors background, तो hypothesis testing थोड़ा बहुत मुझे पता है. If you've gone ahead and done a little bit of stats से आप eco honors से हो या stats honors से या math honors से, हो सकता है थोड़ा बहुत BCom में भी पढ़ा हो. CFA अगर किसी ने किया वो लोग ने पढ़ा होगा. Just imagine one simple word takes you there. Hence, just be careful about the words that you state and be very clear in terms of how communicate क्या करना चाहते हो. So that's the only thing that I would state. There are multiple such experiences जब गलत कुछ निकल गया word, गलत in the sense not what I wanted to, and the interview went in a different direction. And there are experiences where I stated what I wanted to, was true to what my intro or I wanted the intro to be, and the interview went in the direction that I wanted. So there is a probability or higher probability that the interview will go in that direction that you want if you are very clear and crisp about the elements that you mention in an interview. Hopefully this helps a little.